Question number 23 on the reading portion of College Board's Test 5. According to the passage, a significant attribute of conventional agriculture. So we need to find something about a significant attribute of conventional agriculture is its ability to. So if we remember what conventional agriculture is all about, conventional agriculture is this paragraph. We say that conventional is incredibly efficient. We say that it gets more crop per square foot of cultivated land. And we use up less forest. We don't destroy forest in order to build farmland. So I feel like those are all things, that's a significant attribute of this, is its ability to do what? I guess also another attribute could be its ability to destroy ecosystems. Because if we remember in this paragraph right here, line 69 to 76, they talk about how conventional agriculture causes a lot of problems to ecosystems as a result of nitrogen runoff. So maybe they're talking about that too, I don't know. Let's read the answers. According to the passage, a significant attribute of conventional agriculture is its ability to A, produce a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. I don't think that's a significant attribute. I think a lot of different ways of farming can produce a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. I don't consider this to be a significant attribute. Significant attribute means it's special to this. It means only conventional agriculture can do this. And so far from what we've read, there's no reason to believe that conventional agriculture is the only thing that can produce a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. What about B? A significant attribute of conventional agriculture is its ability to maximize the output of cultivated land. Yes, because we said, if we remember, that conventional industrial agriculture has become incredibly efficient on a simple land-of-food basis. And we find out it's more efficient than organic agriculture. So we can conclude then that this is a significant attribute of conventional agriculture. It has the ability to maximize this output or efficiency of land. Or like B, what about C? A significant attribute of conventional agriculture is its ability to satisfy the dietary needs of the world's population. Maybe. This is interesting. I feel like in a way, like I don't like C because I'm comparing it with B, but that's not a reason to like it or dislike it, honestly. It's just like a thought of mine, to be honest. Satisfy the dietary needs of the world's population. I'm gonna have to leave this actually. Let's negotiate between B and C in a second, because part of me likes C because it's like, we did say that conventional agriculture is, more efficient. However, they never talked about, and this is where, in a way, you oftentimes have to catch yourself when you might be overstepping. Everyone does it, or at least maybe not everyone does it. I admit I do it. But it's important to realize when you think about something and you think about a logical conclusion and then you back check it with whether or not that was said in the passage. Because you can maybe infer that, yeah, well, like I guess conventional agriculture can produce more food, therefore therefore it will satisfy the dietary needs of the world population. But at the end of the day, and you kind of gloss over the fact that it's talking about dietary needs, and we just say, like, yeah, it feeds the planet. Conventional farming feeds the planet. Do we ever talk about dietary needs of the world's population, or the fact that conventional agriculture and farming just satisfies the dietary needs? I don't really know what the dietary needs are. You can infer that they require calories and nutrients, because I think they talk about that. Calories here and then nutrients. But do they ever talk about the fact that conventional agriculture can do this and say organic agriculture can't? I'm just like going back and forth with C, and that's I think why I don't like it. Even though I like it, I don't like it. Compared with B, it's like I know, it's like B is a lot more straightforward. They told me, yeah, like it's more efficient on a land-of-food basis. Whereas C says satisfy the dietary needs. So that's the significant attribute of conventional farming. Organic farming is unable to satisfy the dietary needs of the world population. I don't know that. Even though it produces less food, we never talk about whether or not that 25% less food is actually a problem. That's then me just trying to, I think, make stuff up in my head that fits this context, which is in a way okay to do, but it's very dangerous when you leave it unchecked and you think that that was what the passage said. This was a really good, I think, discussion about C, why it's like you have that feeling, right? Embrace that feeling. Know why, feel like I'm trying to understand, why do I like this so much and I don't understand it? Why do I not like it and I don't understand why I don't like it? Let's break it down. If you can break those things down, it will be very hard for the test to trick you. Like it almost did. What about D? According to the passage, a significant attribute of conventional agriculture is its ability to lessen the necessity of nitrogen in plant growth. It actually doesn't. Organic agriculture lessens the necessity of nitrogen. Because what do we find out? We know that conventional agriculture makes use of 171 million metric tons of synthetic fertilizer, lines 61 to 62. And that's more than line 64, the slow release of nitrogen. Yeah. So I think the answer is going to be B. And this is not a quote question. This is a tough one. But we have to ask ourselves ultimately, what was the big advantage that they kept talking about over and over and over again in the passage? If we just zoom out a little bit, they're talking about how conventional agriculture is more efficient on a land-to-food basis than organic agriculture. And we have to realize that even though C might be tempting to pick, because we're saying, yeah, we produce more food with conventional agriculture, maybe that also satisfies the dietary needs of the world's population. One, we never talk about that. And two, we don't know what the dietary needs of the world's population is. Don't say things or agree to answer a question like this when we don't even believe the words that the answer choice is saying. The answer in number 23 again is going to be B.